Chengalpattu is the major industrial growth zone near Chennai. It is the home to Mahabalipuram UNESCO World Heritage Site. The next station is Central Metro. Your doors will be open on your left. So you guys, what is your favorite IPL team? The majority is CSK, Chennai Super Kings. I am going to talk about Chennai. Chennai is the major economic and cultural hub of Tamil Nadu. Major IT, automobile and film industry centers are located in Chennai. Let's visit the Silver Beach in Kadalur. In short, Silver Beach feels like a gentle embrace of nature. Kadalur is a coastal district of major industrial activity. Kadalur is also home to Silver Beach and Asian Temple. Shall we buy lots? 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 Why are you taking over the lots? Dindigul is famous for lots. Dindigul is famous for log manufacture and mango cultivation. And what is your favorite hill station? And Kodaikanal is located here. Shall we go to the Manchester of South India? Do you know what is the Manchester of South India? Yeah, it's Coimbatore. Coimbatore is known as the Manchester of South India because there are many textile industries as the Manchester of England. Major engineering and textile hub of Tamil Nadu. It is famous for turmeric city and the area is also known for agriculture driven economy. Kochi is a district in Tamil Nadu where it is known for agriculture and recently it has got agriculture based economy in 2019. Do you have silk sarees? No, where should we buy it? We can buy it in Kanchipuram. Kanchipuram is famous for silk sarees and Asian temple. Once it was a famous center of learning and culture. Do you know the writer of Thiruthangal? It's Thiruthangal, right? Correct, Chandra. Kanyakumari, special in Karur, Kamasar? Okay. Karur is famous for textile and paper industry factory. Karur is located in the banks of Amaravati River. Let's explore Krishnagiri. There was a large mango production and the gateway to Tamil Nadu from Bangalore is located in Krishnagiri. Do you guys know where Bangarada is famous? Yes, of course. Madurai is famous for silk in Tamil Nadu. Madurai is also known as Thiruthangal. Do you guys know what is the city of Coromandel? Yes, it's right. It is Nagapattinam. Nagapattinam is a coastal district. It is one of the major pilgrimage centers, especially the Belangani Church renowned for the Christians. Do you know what is the city? It's Namakkal, right? Correct, Sabra. Namakkal is mainly known for its proggy and oil building industry. Namakkal is also home to Archer Temple. Like saying little headache are there. Then we can buy some eucalyptus oil in Nilgiris. Nilgiris is a hill district with 40 acids flowing down and it is also famous for tribal communities, tea estates and it has a vast biodiversity. You want to buy some small onions? Yes, we can buy it. Perambalur is the smallest district in our state. It has the most limestone deserts important for it. Come, let's go ahead. Ukkota is rich in arts and culture heritage and also contains several temples and forts. Safra, do you have visited the oldest bridge in our country? It's Parliament, right? Correct, Safra. It is located in Ramanathapuram. Ramanathapuram is the former capital of Tirupati Kings, protected on Madhavaram. It is one of the major tourist sites known for its river fishing. The next station is Thiruthangal. Your doors will be open on your right. Ranipet is known for other industries and it is separated from April 2019. Do you want to eat raw mangoes? Raw mangoes? I have never tasted. Come, let's go. Salem. In Salem, the production of steel, textile and alcohol. Do you know where is Air Carrier Station located? Yes, Air Carrier Station is located in Salem. I'm so exhausted and hungry, Karthik. Okay, then we can eat a full Lebanon style dish. Where is it famous? It is famous in Sivagangai. Sivagangai is a technical region known for heritage homes and cuisine. It is known for the 16th century Sierra Madre.
new district separated from Thirunelveli. Its famous attraction was Kutralam Falls.
Let's see the Great Chola's agriculture. Great Chola? Okay.
Tanjavur. Tanjavur is the cultural capital famous for its agriculture. Tanjavur is also known for its rice production.
Let's visit the Cardamom city, Theni. Theni is known as cardamom capital of Tamil Nadu. It is famous for its vibrant dance. Let's go to Salt city, Thoothukudi. This is a major port city known for whale fishing and salt mine. Industrial and shipping hub was located here. Shall we go to Thiruthangal? It's Tirunelveli. Let's go. For Thiruthangal, British gave the name as Tirunelveli. It has major industrial and educational sites. For landmarks, there are Rockford Temple and the Tamil Nadu emblem, Thiruthangal Temple, is located here. Do you want some Tikadayalva? Sure, but the shop will be dark. No, it's an Asian name. Thirunelveli is famous for agriculture and it is a religious district and it is also the hometown to Nelliyappan temple which is rich in history. Do you want to visit Sandalwood? Come, let's buy some gorgeous cotton clothes. Famous in Tirupur. Tirupur is the highway capital of India and it is a major textile exporter. Let's visit the Annamaya temple in Thirunelveli. Sure.
Tiruvannamalai, it is famous for Arunachaleswar temple. It is famous for pilgrimage and spiritual tourism.
Do you want to visit the granary of South India? Yeah, it's Tiruvarur. Tiruvarur known for temples and Carnatic music heritage and fertile land due to Kaveri Delta. Come, let's visit the beautiful golden temple in Peru. Whether it's covered with gold? Yeah. History courts and medical institutions like CMC was located here. Better and education hub was also located here. Let's visit the city of Terracotta Towers, Viluppuram.
Viluppuram is a large area known for agriculture. It is important for road and train connectivity.
Do you want to visit some fireworks? No, it's offense. No, but in India, it is the happiest moment. Virudhunagar. Virudhunagar is the birthplace of food, but Virudhunagar K. Kamaraj is known for fireworks and matchbox industries. Sapra, we came to the end of this day. Wow! Wow! How beautiful is our state with rich in heritage, culture and tradition. What is there is absolutely privileged now, but most of us is not recognizing our state's culture, heritage and mainly our foods. Hope you all